big, small. The elephant is big. The mouse is small. Hot, cold. The tea is hot. The water is cold. Fast, slow. The car is fast. The tortoise is slow. Happy, sad. She is happy. He is sad. Tall, short. The giraffe is tall. The dog is short. Old, new. The book is old. The book is new. Open, closed. The box is open. The box is closed. Clean, dirty. The socks are clean. The socks are dirty. Full, empty. The glass is full. The glass is empty. Day, night. It is sunny during the day. It is dark at night. Rich, poor. The businessman is rich. The man is poor. Strong, weak. The man is strong. The kitten is weak. Loud, quiet. The noise is loud. Please be quiet. Wet, dry. Her hair is wet. Her hair is dry. Sit, stand. Please sit down. Please stand up. Fat, thin. The person is fat. The person is thin. Beautiful, ugly. The woman is beautiful. The dog is ugly. Laugh, cry. The man is laughing. The man is crying. Push, pull. The woman pushes the trolley. The woman pulls the suitcase. Up, down. The arrow points up. The arrow points down. Quick review. New or old? Old. Wet or dry? Wet. Big or small? Big. Slow or fast? Fast. Stand or sit? Sit. Great job! You have practiced 20 opposite words in English. You can continue practicing with more English vocabulary lessons on the channel.